IVNesters.com. Today we're going to look at the second question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 2 reads, which choice includes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Always read the question first so you know what to expect. It is set to completion. You can expect those in the beginning of each reading and writing passage. So, we're going to approach it a certain way based on that. One thing is we want to look for what comes after blank. If there's punctuation there, what comes after that's going to tell you what goes in blank. And that's going to be the key to answering this question. And the paragraph reads, for 2021 art installation Anthem, Wu Tsang joined forces with singer and composer Beverly Glenn-Copeland to produce a piece that critics found truly blank. They praised Tsang for creatively transforming a museum rotunda into a dynamic exhibit by projecting filmed images of Glenn-Copeland onto a massive 84-foot curtain and filling the space with sounds of his and other voices singing. It sounds pretty cool, actually. But what I want you to do is pay attention to the words that come after the punctuation. It's actually a strategy. You see punctuation after the blank, and pay attention to what comes after that. We've got praise, those descriptive words, and praised, creatively transforming, dynamic exhibit. We gotta find what's gonna best match those words. And choice A, restrained. Restrained is like held back. It looks like they didn't hold anything back and put it in this little project together. So that's definitely wrong. Inventive looks pretty good. So they're pretty inventive. Like they had these ideas. They were creative. Dynamic. Inventive looks pretty good. But we're going to check out the other answer choices. Inexplicable. Inexplicable means you can't explain it. It sounds like they just explained exactly what the setup was. So it's not going to be C. And then mystifying, that's maybe you have trouble deciding between A and D, but mystifying is more like confusing, bewildering. So answer choice D is not the best fit either, but they showed some ingenuity. They were inventive in making this setup. That's going to be your best answer for number 2. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completion. If there's any question you'd like to answer, any official PSAT or SSC or ACT, leave that comment. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video, IVNesters Learning Center. It's going to be below these videos in the playlist. So it's Test 2 Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions.